So we're given another question. We are expected to prove cos of A positive B divided by cos A multiplied with cos B is equal to 1 negative tan A times tan B. So what I would do is I will start off by considering the left hand side, which is cos of A positive B divided by cos A cos B. Now we got a formula. What is that? We know this. Cos of A positive B is equal to cos A cos B, positive sign, so it's going to be negative sin A sin B. So if I were to use this, using this, if I were to take this to be as 1, hence the left hand side of 1 becomes, so in place of this I'm going to write cos A cos B negative, in fact I should use lowercase, right, A and B, followed by sin A sin B divided by cos A cos B. Now we know from algebra A positive B divided by C is written as A over C positive B over C. So by that fact this is equal to cos A cos B divided by cos A cos B negative sin A sin B divided by cos A cos B. Cos A can be cancelled, cos B can be cancelled, giving me 1 negative sin A over cos A. I can rewrite it like this, multiplied with sin B over cos B. This is equal to 1 negative sin A over cos A is tan A, sin B over cos B is tan B. Now what is this? This is nothing but the right hand side. So this is equal to right hand side, hence proved.